Hello guys, in this session we will see application menu, their commands. Okay, just open AutoCad software. This is the application menu. Okay, this is a new command, this is a open command, this is a save command, this is a save as command, this is a print option, this is a undo and redo. Okay, after clicking on application menu, same options are available at this side. Okay, this is new, this is open, this is save, this is save as command, this is export. This option is if you want to your file is export in any other format like a PDF, DWF. Okay, then select here's options. Okay, next is publish, print. Okay, if you want to create a print, then you can plot from this option. Okay, this is a close option, drawing utilities. Okay, now this option is we will cover in another lecture, because in that option there are so many options. Okay, that's why it will take a time. Okay, so today we'll skip this and next we'll see commands. Okay, from ribbon in home menu. Okay, this is a draw panel. In that panel, first one is line command, second is polyline, third is circle. In that circle command there are 6 commands. Okay, this is a arc command. Okay, in that arc command there are total 11 commands. Okay, we will see one by one. This is a rectangle command. Okay, from that after clicking drop down button, the polygon is come out. Okay, this is a ellipse command. Okay, in that center, axis, end and elliptical arc, there are 3 commands. Okay, we will see one by one all the commands. Okay, after clicking on draw drop down button, here the other commands, that also we will see. Okay, no issue. First of all, we will see first command. This is a line command. After click on line command. Okay, here in that command line, this will specify the command. Okay, what we do. Okay, just read here. Specify first point. Now specify first point of the line. Okay, this is a first point. Okay, now the specify next point of the line. Okay, this is second. You can create a one by one like this. Use line command. Okay, see, if you want to enter dimension, then directly enter the required dimension. If what you want, I will enter 50. Okay, see here the 50, specify next point on 50. Okay, and click on enter. Okay, see, this is a 50 line. Okay, like this use line command. Okay, for deselect, click on escape. Okay, now next command is polyline. Okay, polyline also work like a line command, but in that polyline command there are different types. Okay, see, in that command line specify first point. Okay, then specify a start point. Okay, after specifying the point, in command line there are total 5 options are available. First one is first one is arc, second one is half width, third one is length, fourth one is undo, and fifth is width. So this polyline command we'll see in next lecture. Okay, thank you.